very good evening to all of the first years who have joined us. I'm Arjun. I'm a secretary at Communique, and we hope that this introduction seminar conducted by Communique IIT Kharagpur will be very informative and fun for you. We planned this to not resemble a lecture. We planned this to be very interactive. At all times in the meeting, I've reiterated it a couple of times and I'm saying it again. If anything you find on the slides, anything someone is speaking, you need to ask some questions about it. You think something about it. The chat is open to you. Any one of us will respond to whatever you put up in the chat. And there are also some games and interactive activities during the seminar. So just be attentive, answer whatever is asked to you. And then we also have a plan to feature the people who answer well and answer the best quickly on our Facebook page. So just be attentive, enjoy, and the chat is open to you. And just I reiterate it again, the session will be fun only if you guys are interactive and if you just don't sit there listening. So whatever you feel about whatever is being asked from you, watch attentively and answer. That's all I have to ask from you. I hope that you will be a great audience, and I hope that we will fulfill your expectations that you have from us starting this seminar. I hand over to Swarnav.
Hello everyone. Do you all know what is Communique? I think most of you must have an idea. Well, let me tell you what it is. We are the official soft skills society of IIT Kharagpur. It was founded in the aim to develop strong interpersonal and intrapersonal skills. Communique conducts various number of internal and external events throughout the year, about which we will talk in a while. Now, Sunidhi will come and tell what are exactly soft skills.
Hi freshers. So now you might be wondering what basically soft skills are. And most of you think that soft skills just include communication skills. Well, that's not correct. They are beyond communication skills and include a cluster of abilities like presentation skills, team building, time management, critical thinking, creative thinking, body language, and many more. And trust me, all these skills are extremely important while you stay at IIT Kharagpur and further in your life. Let's have a personal interview session to demonstrate the importance of having good soft skills.
Hello everyone. So in this mock personal interview segment, we are going to have personal interviews of two candidates. So please notice the difference between both of them and observe the interviews pretty carefully. So before we get started with the personal interviews, it is very important to know what exactly a personal interview is. So a personal interview is basically the final stage in selecting any candidate for any job role or internship role, in which the interviewer would ask the candidate a variety of questions ranging from technical questions to questions regarding your goals and ambitions. So we hope that you get a fair idea about what a personal interview is, and please notice the difference between both the candidates which are appearing for the personal interviews. So let's get started.
Am I visible? Okay, I guess there is some technical glitch with my camera. Let's continue without it. Okay, Aniket, I'm Devesh and I'll be taking your interview for the post of software development engineer at a company. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Aniket Agarwal and I study at IIT Kharagpur and I live at Dhanbad, Jharkhand.
Aniket, I think you forgot to mention your department.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. My department is Computer Science and Engineering.
Aniket, would you like to add anything else? Perhaps your hobbies or interests?
Yes, sir. My hobbies are like listening music. I love reading books and I also love sketching.
Okay, Aniket, so why do you want to join our company? What motivates you to work with us?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, I want to join your company because your company is very reputed and it offers a good salary and it is very renowned in this field. So I want to join the company.
Aniket, that you had mentioned that a company is very reputable. So we must have very high standards for our employees. So why should we select you? What is special in you?
Uh, yes, sir. Uh, as I mentioned in my resume, I am familiar with software development languages like C, C++, and Python, and I have also done two projects under the highly qualified professors of my institute, and uh, I think I will be a good software developer.
Okay, Aniket, so we want our employees to have analytical skills. Here's a question to test yours. A windowless room has three light bulbs. You are outside the room with three switches, each controlling one of the light bulbs. If you can enter the room only once, how can you determine which switch controls which light bulb?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, three bulbs and three switches. Okay. Ma'am, can you repeat?
So, Aniket, I am repeating the question for you. A windowless room has three light bulbs. You are outside the room with three switches, each controlling one of the light bulbs. If you can only enter the room
Okay,
once, how can you determine which switch controls which light
okay,
bulb?
ma'am. Uh, yes, ma'am. We can first of all we can turn on two switches and we can wait for some time. Then we can turn off one of the switch and we can see that the bulb the switch which is on corresponds to the glowing bulb and the rest of the two bulb we can touch and see that. Uh, so this is my point, ma'am.
Okay, Aniket. So, do you have any questions for us? Any further queries?
Uh, as of now, no, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, Aniket, we'll let you know about your results. You may leave.
Okay, sir.
Please send the next interviewee. Hi, Sadhvika. I'm Devesh and I'll be taking your interview for the post of software development engineer at a company. Can you introduce yourself?
Good evening, panel. I am Kadari Sadhvika. I am a second year undergraduate student from the Department of Computer Science Engineering, enrolled in its BTech course at IIT Kharagpur. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. My hobbies include reading books, listening to music, and I love doodling.
Okay, Sadhvika. So, why do you want to join our company? What motivates you to work with us?
I have contributed in various open source projects since the beginning of my second semester, and I believe that I am reasonably competent in the field. Also, I want to join your company as it is one of the major giants in the field of software development, and I believe that I would be able to grow a lot in the environment you provide.
Sadhvika, there are multiple people who have applied for the same role as you have. So, what separates you from them? Why should we select you?
As I had mentioned earlier, I have significantly contributed towards multiple open source projects, which not only helped me gain experience in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence, but also inculcated the value of teamwork and collaboration, which I believe are indispensable qualities needed in the field of software development. At the same time, I have developed my communication skills by working directly under the senior managers, leading to my well-preparedness to work on high-profile and cross-department projects.
Okay, Sadhvika, I'll be asking you a question to test your analytical skills. The question goes as follows. A windowless room has three light bulbs. You are outside the room with three switches, each controlling one of the light bulbs. If you can enter the room only once, How will you find out which switch controls which light bulb?
So I wish to explain my answer in this format. For our convenience, let us name the switches as A, B and C. Now, first and foremost, we will turn on the switches A and B, wait for 10 minutes, then turn switch B off, then we'll enter the room. Now, the bulb which is glowing right now is the bulb which is controlled by switch A. When we will move on to the other two bulbs, we will check the bulb which is comparatively warm enough. That bulb is controlled by switch B. So consequently, the other bulb is controlled by switch C.
Okay, Sadhika, do you have any questions for us?
Yes, definitely. Can you tell me about work-life balance and accommodation here?
So, Sadhvika, we don't have any meetings or tasks on weekends, as we want our employees to feel rejuvenated when they come back on Monday. This increases overall efficiency, which is our main goal. Regarding accommodation, we will allot you a guest house for a month near our office for your convenience. So, do you want to know anything else? Any further queries?
Nothing right now.
Okay, Sadhvika, we'll let you know about the results. Thank you.
Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
So after carefully observing both the interviews, we hope that you got a fair idea about how exactly a personal interview is conducted. So if we had a situation in which the interviewer had only one choice of selecting any candidate between Sadhvika or Aniket, so who would it be then? Please share your opinion by typing in your preferred candidate in the chat box. So it is a humble request to all the freshers to type in their preferred candidate in the chat box. So yeah. So I've got many responses, and yeah, rightly so. Almost everyone has gone with Sadhvika. We can clearly see. So yeah, that is an overwhelming response. So yeah, okay. So that is what everyone expected, because Sadhvika had great soft skills. Even though both of them answered almost all the questions, but it was the soft skills of Sadhvika which were preferred by almost all the freshers we can see. So to underline this fact and to explain the importance of soft skills in greater detail, I would like to ask Shriyal to explain you this fact in more detail. So over to you, Shriyal.
Okay, everyone, turn to page 97 in your soft skills textbooks. You've probably never heard that before, have you? So, why are soft skills important now? As Suniti explained earlier, soft skills are a person's character traits or interpersonal skills which determine his relationships with other people. In a workplace, a person's soft skills are considered to be complement to his hard skills, that is, his knowledge and the occupational skills. Throughout your life, you will be in school learning various information and skills you require to pursue a job, such as science, mathematics, literature, history, art, and much more. But you don't just walk into an interview immediately spitting out equations and formulas, do you? Of course not. You show up on time, smile, shake a hand, be polite and respectful. These are soft skills. Whether you realize it or not, your soft skills are constantly impacting your life. Your relationships at home, college, workplace, or so far. Research shows that about 15% of a worker's success is determined by his knowledge, that is his hard skills. The remaining 85% is determined by his soft skills. Whether you're applying for a lifetime career or a part-time summer job, a good knowledge of soft skills is required for your success in that workplace. So, people can get promotions or they can get fired depending upon how well they perform in teams, communicate, and organize. Your authenticity, empathy, honesty, Listening skills, thoughtfulness, patience, and positive attitude are what make you an involver. And that is the answer to why soft skills are so prudently important. Now we have an interesting set of quiz waiting for you. Over to you, Shashwat.
Hello everyone. So we have a fun quiz planned for all of you. So here are the rules for the quiz. I'm going to show you a set of emojis and these emojis try to depict a movie. You have to try and guess the movie. When you guess the movie, type it in the chat box. Okay, so let's dive right in. Let's see the first question. Any guesses?
I think they're thinking, Shashwat, let's give them a little bit of time. I'm sure some of them will get to the answer.
Yes, you're all right. It's Boss Baby and Sarthak Vijayan. You were the fastest. Kudos. Okay, so let's see the second question. Yes, Darpan, you're right. It's Kung Fu Panda. Yeah, you're all right. Must be so smart. Okay, let's see the next question. This one is a bit tough. Yeah, you're right, Aman. My bad. Okay, any guesses for this one? It's a bit tricky. No, Debashish. No, no, Darpan. No, Soham. No, they don't use the ring emoji if you are observing. Okay, I guess it's a little bit difficult, so let's just move on with the answer. It's Lord of the
I think
Rings.
we can. Okay.
Okay, so we have there's one last question for this quiz. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's try to guess the movie. Yes, you're right. Tanish, you're right. It's Life of Pi. You're right. I hope you all had fun. Let's move on.
Thank you for the great response. Now we'll move on and Ashutosh and Hansika will explain what Communicate does exactly as a society.
Sorry guys, my laptop was stuck. So now move on to a very interesting part. I know that one thing that you all are waiting from the beginning is what we all do in Communicate. So here we will discuss some of the events which we have done, and maybe this time you would be given some more innovative tasks than what we did. First, I want to know from all of you, after listening about our society, what do you think? Which type of internal event we conduct? Any guess from your side? You can write in the chat box. Okay, wait. Okay, you all were going in the right direction. So we have done some soft skills events like personal interview,
which you already understand from our demo of why soft skills. We also conduct GD, in which 5-6 members discuss the same topic and finally come up with some conclusion. You will know about PI and GD when we go through the selection process of various societies. We also did a British parliamentary debate in which there are 4 teams which are opening government, opening a position and closing a position. We have also done impromptu in which you will be given a topic and you will have 3 minutes to prepare for it and then 5 minutes to speak on that topic. And it would also be very beneficial to boost your confidence. Now, from here, Hansika will take over. Over to Hansika.
I guess Hansika is having some technical issue, so I'll continue. So we do other activities like case studies where you will be asked to present on a topic and give a presentation at the end. You'll be having a CV workshop in which the seniors will be guiding you about the CV, and at last we have allocation. We have planned one allocation for you so that you get what exactly is the allocation.
So, hello everybody. I'm Raza Khan, Secretary at Communicate IIT Kharagpur, and I will be showing you what an allocation is. I will be performing a set. This is a work of fiction, nothing related to reality. So, let's begin. As a fresher, I shared a little game with my professor. Played it every morning. Next, I would knock on my desk, pretend to be working on my phone till he got right next to me. Then I would get up, jumping over, saying, "Good morning, professor." And my professor would tell me that he's annoyed with me. Kicks me out of the class. We shared that game, knock knock. Until that day, when the desk was not there, the class was not the same, and I took a ride past stations on these never-ending tracks till I reach a place of comfort. Nostalgic, but strange it was. A confused little adult I am, knock knock, I entered the home, away from home, carried a laptop, and now this online semester started. I joined the meeting, sees many windows with letter, but one camera on. Pinning him to the screen, I see my professor become Joyce for the game to start. I knocked to my desk trying to let my professor scold me, but before I can even say a word, someone kicked me out of the meeting. Knock knock, and for months I never said a word. So 8 months later, I write these words for the little freshie in me who still await his professor's scold. So cold was my experience with this new normal that the knock was not for the scold, but to find myself in me. Let me come to my second home because I miss my belongings. I miss myself waking up late at night and telling everybody to do my assignment. I miss myself traveling a mile to Nalanda with my friends, giggling on a bicycle with no brakes. I miss myself having night outs with my friends at 2.2. Let me come home because there are things I don't know. And I thought KGP could teach me how to become a VP, how to grab a crore package, how to talk to a lady, what happened in hall days, and how to walk like a gentleman. Let me come home because I decided a while back I wanted to meet my idols. My seniors, my professors, I wanted to be like them, but now I'm forgetting who they are. And 8 months later, a little boy in me cries. So I write this word, try to heal him. I dream of a mentor who says the word my mentor didn't. Dear Raza, I'm sorry I never noticed your suffering. For every lesson I failed to teach you, hear these words. For VP, you need to have a lot, boys, of you and your soul. A crore package and a lady, you wouldn't get it. Holidays secret are kept to be secret, and walk like a god and your goddess will come to you. No longer will I be there knocking on your doors. You must learn to knock for yourself. Be the one who knocks. Knock, knock down the door of shyness and hesitation. Knock, knock down the wall of this online semester. Knock, knock down the door of opportunities for the lost brilliance of our batchmate to crowd their homes. Knock, knock with diligence for the sake of students. This gate can't contain my spirit to achieve more. The best in me still lives in New IIT Kharagpur. Our capacity of belief is our greatest asset. Anyone can steer the ship and the sea is calm. For despite their absence, we are still here, still alive, still breathing, with the power to change this world. Knock, knock, who's there? I am. Hasta la vista.
Wow, Raza, a very exhilarating performance. Well done. Now, let's move on to a fun section. Keeping your IQ high, get ready. It's time for some brain teasers. Here comes the first question. Question is like this. How do you cut a rectangular cake into the two equal pieces when someone has already removed a rectangular piece from it? The removed piece can be of any size or orientation, and you are allowed just one straight cut. Have any ideas? Write it in the chat box. Yeah, Vedini, you are right. Oh, that is one answer. No, actually you cannot. It's of any size or orientation, so you cannot cut diagonally. Cutting horizontal, that's one answer. Actually, there is two different answers. Let's see the solution. One answer could be, take the center of a big cake and the center of the removed piece and assume a straight line along these two centers and cut straight. You will get the two equal pieces. Or you can just cut horizontally along the height from the middle. You will get the two equal pieces. Now let's move on to a trickier question. Question number 2. You have 10 jars filled with marbles. Each marble weighs 10 grams except one jar which contains defective marbles which weight 9 grams. Given the scale to weight, how do you find the jar with the defective marbles? In just one measurement. Here the scale is modern day electronic scale to measure weight, which give you exact weight in numericals. Have any ideas? Apply your critical thinking skill and try to solve this problem. Yes, jar is weightless. See, there is 10 jars and only one jar contains defective marbles. You need to find by just one measurement which jar contains the defective marbles. This question is a bit trickier. So you can write just one important step in the chat. If you get this one right, I will understand. Yes, Piram, you are right. Won't able to get it? Don't worry, let's see the solution. Take one marble from the jar 1, 2 marbles from the jar 2, and so on till the 10 marbles from the jar 10. And weight all these 55 marbles together at once and subtract it from 550. You will get the jar which contains the defective marbles. For example, let's assume that the 4th jar contains the defective marbles. The weight of all the 55 marbles would be 546. And if you subtract from 550, you will get the answer 4, which is our required jar. I think it was a hard one. I can't able to get more answers. Let's move on to an easier question now. Question number 3 is like this. A man who lives on the 10th floor takes the elevator down to the 1st floor every morning and goes to work. In the evening when he comes back, on the rainy day or if there is another person in the elevator, he goes directly to his floor. Otherwise, he goes to the 7th floor and walk up 3 stairs to reach his apartment. Can you explain this why? The answer is silly. So I don't think you need to think very hard for this one. Yes, yes, you are getting it. Let's see the solution. Yes, the man is of the short stature. He can't reach the upper elevator buttons. He can ask the people to push it for them, or he should push it from his umbrella. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's move on.
So now, Charvi and Arnab will come and explain what are the events we conduct as a society.
Hi, Charvi.
Hi Arnav. One thing just stuck into my mind. Have you ever noticed our society conducts so many events?
Yeah, seriously. Can we even recall how many events we have conducted so far?
Like how many? 10? 15?
Whoa, hold on. There are many. Let's just count them together.
Okay, just let me start with the counting then. We have panel discussion on UPSC, consulting workshop, and then CAT panel discussion. And we also have leadership talks by Kiran Bedi and Young Innovators program. As far as I remember, I guess that's all.
Oh my god, that's a lot. Although we didn't count all of it, did we? In fact, we just missed the resume workshop, which is conducted every year.
Yes, yes, I know, I know. Through that workshop only, I actually got to know how to make a proper CV. That was really very helpful.
Yes, indeed. Acha, tell me one thing. Have you ever read our blogs on Medium? Those blogs are really amazing.
Yes, I do keep a track of our blogs. This gives me a very good idea of how I should prepare for the selection rounds. That's everything about career and career related events only. Let's talk about something fun. Does Communicate conduct any fun activities?
Of course, there are inspiring stories, caption the capture, like where you have to caption beautiful images captured by Photography Society, and all your creative captions will be awarded.
That sounds interesting. Well, just one last question. What if I want to rewatch some of our events then?
You didn't know? We have our YouTube channel too, where you can rewatch any event anytime. You should have known it already. However, tell me one thing, what is the best way to improve our soft skills?
Well, according to me, making a habit of reading books is really very nice. In fact, our society itself publishes many books. You can read those too.
Well, certainly I will do that.
Okay, we are running late and we have a very interesting quiz ahead of us. So let's move on to that. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. Let's go.
Hello everyone. So now we'll be playing an interesting quiz, that is guess the book from its cover. As the name suggests, we'll be showing you cover of a book and you have to write its name in the chat box. So be ready guys. Yeah. So this is the first one. Any guesses? Shubham, it's not movie, it's a book name. I think as no one is able to guess it, so I'll say it's The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. So we go with the second one. I think it's a bit easy to guess it. Yeah, Yuti, you got it correct. It's Pride and Prejudice. Next. Yeah, yeah, Kshita, you guessed it correct. It's Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. We'll go with the next one. Yeah, many of you guessed it correct. It's It by Stephen King. I hope you all enjoyed this quiz. Next, we'll have an interesting quiz by Alok.
Hello everyone. Here is one more fun game, Explorimus KGP for you. Let's see how much do you know about IIT KGP before entering its beautiful campus. So keep your fingers ready on the keyboard as you might get featured on our FB page if you are quick enough. So in this game, you will be given three statements and you have to find the wrong one. And only one of the three statement is wrong. So let's move to question number one. So statement A, Central Library remains open 24 into 7. Statement B, LBS Hall is the largest hall in Asia in terms of the borders capacity. Statement C, a boy can enter a particular girls' hall only on 2 occasions. Yeah, many of you are right, but some of you are wrong. So, wrong statement is statement A. Usually, Central Library gets closed after midnight. Let's move to question number 2. Yeah, so statement A, IIT KGP campus is the largest among all the IITs. Statement B, we have Domino's inside IIT KGP campus. Statement C, there is a cafe in IIT KGP which offers free drink to all the students. Yeah, Rakshit, you are right. We don't have Domino's inside IIT KGP, but we do have one outside where you can enjoy your favorite pizzas with your friends. And it is surprising to know that we do have a cafe which offers free drink. Now let's move to question number 3. Yeah, so statement A, there are 3 helipads in IIT KGP. Statement B, there is a fixed timing before which you need to return to the halls. Statement C, agriculture department is larger than IIT Delhi in terms of area. Yeah, many of you are guessing it right. So there is no fixed timing. You can return as late as you want. So you can enjoy night outs with your friends from your society, department, or halls. Now let's move to last and most interesting set. Yeah, so statement A, every fresher gets a separate room in their respective hall of residence. Statement B, PSA is a commonly used lingo in IIT KGP. Statement C, there is a theater on the campus where you can watch movies every weekend. Yeah, most of you are right this time, but I expected otherwise. Yeah, so here your biggest fantasy goes wrong. You won't get a separate room in your first year. Many of you won't get it until third year also. It depends on halls actually. So I hope you enjoy this session. Now let's move further.
So now, as we have come to almost the end of the session, now Sajal and Raksha will come and explain why exactly you should join Communique.
Hi guys. So me and Raksha are here to clear all your doubts regarding why you should join Communique.
So, why communicate? As you listen to my fellow teammates, you would have got an idea as to why soft skills are an integral part of one's personality along with academics. Generally, those 2 years of JE is enclosed with physics, chemistry, and maths, so you guys would not have got the time for developing soft skills much. If you are still unsure about joining Communique, let's dive in further to know what you will be doing as a part of the team.
So we here at Communique, the official soft skills society of IIT Kharagpur, target on overall development of a person. You'll be given various tasks throughout your tenure, which would not only develop your soft skills, but will also give you a break from the busy life at KGP. Every task will be different in itself and you'll learn something new each time. It's not only about attending meetings and doing the task, but also you'll find new friends, which will soon become your family at KGP.
You will be hanging out together, having fun at night outs, going on parties and trips. It's not like we can only chill while on campus, but during this online SEM, we have regular FaceTime, celebrating birthdays, playing games online, etc. You'll have the best learning space with the team together.
Also, seniors in the team are very helping, and we understand that academics is a priority for everyone. So we try to schedule everything accordingly. This won't hamper your grades. Instead, you will be in contact with many seniors who have secured department change. And not only that, but one of our governors has also gotten a chance of a foreign training internship in Canada.
So, we are here to help you grow to the best version of yourself. So, why miss this opportunity? You'll get to learn a lot and reflect your best side. So, guys, hope to see you all at the selections.
So now feel free to ask any queries and we'll answer them. Yeah, so I can see that many people are asking about the selection process. So you'll be soon notified about the selection process, and do follow our Facebook page and you'll get a post there. So it's not necessary to be good at soft skills for selections, Isha Jain. You just need to show us that you want to improve your soft skills, and like we conduct various activities to improve your soft skills. So no, it's not necessary to be good in soft
And
skills before.
okay, Sajal, so I would like to clarify another thing which a lot of freshers doubt over, that having a good soft skills doesn't relate or doesn't mean having perfectly conversational English. So even if you have somewhat of a underconfident conversation in English, you're not fluent or you do not feel very confident while speaking English, that is not the only metric of you having good soft skills. So do not feel that as a barrier when applying to selections. And as Sajal said, we do not expect you to have soft skills when you apply to selections. We just hope that you express the need and desire to become a better person by improving your soft skills.
So Harshvardhan, we always believe that there's scope for getting better at communication skills. So we regularly conduct activities which will definitely, you'll see the improvements yourself if you get selected. And people asking about the interview process, you'll be soon notified about that, don't worry. So I guess that's it. So thank you everyone for joining.
Sajid,
Okay. Are we getting
I
more
was saying
questions?
that many people are asking that how many seats are there.
Yeah. Okay. So
There
Devesh,
is-
I will clear that. So there is no particular number we have in mind before the selections that we need to intake this number of people. If you are good and you force us to take you, then we surely will take you. I don't think that that is something you must keep in mind. If you're passionate and you felt connected with us while being a part of this seminar, then just apply for the selections and we hope you'll become a part of our team. Was present here for the duration of the session. You guys were an awesome audience and we hope that you apply to selections and you become a part of your team. Nevertheless, connect with us on Facebook and follow whatever Communicate does on Facebook and Instagram. You will find the links in the chats of this session and thank you. You guys were a really great audience. Thank you so much. I thank all of you on behalf of all the secretaries.